Now, as you are logged into your account, let's start with creating folder. In Entera, it's easy to keep all the documents of a specific company in one folder. We recommend creating a separate folder for each company you work with. On the main page, click on the Create New Folder. Specify the name of the company for which you are creating this folder, then click on the Confirm button. Now the folder is created and you can use it to upload documents for recognition. On the right side of the page, click on the Upload Documents button. You can either select documents from the folder on your computer, or you can simply drag and drop files into this upload window. After you have selected the required files, click Send for Recognition button. Now you will have to wait a couple of minutes while Entera processes the document for recognition. Once the recognition is complete, your documents will move to the completed stage. Click on one of the uploaded documents in the list to view its content. You will see details such as the document number, document date, customer, supplier, item name, its price, quantity, tax amount, and total sum. Entera recognizes content with 99% accuracy. To verify that entries have been recognized correctly, click on the Show Scan button in the top left part of the page. On the right side of the screen, you will see the uploaded document image. To navigate around the document, click and drag the page in any direction. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out, or employ the corresponding buttons located above the document scan. Now you can compare the recognized content with the original document. Further information on how to export documents to an external system and how to manually edit recognized documents will be provided in our upcoming lessons. Now let's see how you can connect a folder to a company in your accounting system. In the top center of the page, click on the Connect button. You will be forwarded to a list of accounting systems that support integration with Entera. Now you can choose the accounting system from the list and click on the Connect button to activate the integration with it. For QuickBooks and Zoho, you will need to log into your account to complete the integration. For integration with Tally, you will need to use our Entera Tally Connector software. It is usually installed with the help of our Customer Success Manager. In case you will need our support, let us know by using our contacts in the description of this video, or write us an email or drop us a message in WhatsApp from our website. You can also learn more about Entera from our knowledge base, which you can access in your Entera account. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this lesson. Now it's your turn to practice. Try uploading documents on your own and see how they are recognized. If you need any support, please let us know and we will be more than happy to help you.